Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demonstration of IMDB review sentiment analysis project using machine learning or the natural language processing or the NLP algorithms. So as far as these reviews are concerned, they are very much important to analyze or rate a certain movie or certain video, and that is can be done using this IMDb reviews. Now many users put their reviews on the IMDb. So how IMDb will calculate the sentiment of that review, or how many reviews are positive and how many reviews are negative. So for that purpose, this project is developed. So here we are using the NLP algorithms to identify the sentiment of that review, and once we get the sentiment, then we can calculate how many reviews are positive and how many reviews are negative, or we can directly check whether positive reviews there or negative reviews there. For the implementation purpose, we are using Python as a programming language and a Flask framework of Python to create a web application. Also, the HTML and CSS programming languages for the front-end development. Now, once the project is under a running state, you have to click here and localhost colon 5000 at the browser. Now, you need to enter the credentials for the login. So for now, it's admin. So once you log in, you will be on this page. The second page, which is the page of detecting the review sentiment, and it will take some time to redirect on that page. And meanwhile, we can check the data set. So this is the data set available to us, in which we are having so many reviews, and these reviews can be considered, or for demonstration purpose we can take any review from this one. So here we need to copy and paste some review. So I will just copy this review from here and let's paste over here. Now we don't need this thing. Okay. We don't need this part, so because it's a sentiment of that review, and this also because it's quotation marks, and then submit. So it should predict, as this review is negative review. So let's see what does it predicts for the this particular review. And there are some positive reviews as well, so it has correctly identified this as a negative review. And let's talk about something different. For example, this review will copy, and let's delete everything. And actually we don't need this part because it's a sentiment of that review in the data set, and we have to check. Now this is going to be the positive review, but let's see whether system predicts it as positive review. Now it will take some time to for the prediction. Let's wait, and as it has predicted, it says positive review. So using this kind of machine learning algorithm, this can be easily done, and NLP algorithms are used to train the model. So that's all about the complete implementation of this project. In case you need any support regarding this project or code of this project, then you can check the description box under this video. Thank you.